This is Frank McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major snowstorm is headed for Indiana on Sunday, January the 5th, 2014. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow in the state of Indiana, especially Indianapolis, Indiana. It's going to be a lot of snow, blowing snow, drifting snow, whiteout conditions. It's going to be very bad outside the state of Indiana. It's going to be a lot of snow, blowing and drifting snow. It's going to be a lot of snow, especially on the interstate highways and state highways and streets will be covered with snow in the state of Indiana. It's going to be a lot of snow, strong winds, blowing and drifting snow in the state of Indiana. On Sunday, January the 5th, 2014, people in Indiana, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready, because it's going to be a lot of snow. If you're going to do your grocery shopping, don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke, because it's going to be very stormy conditions in Indiana on Sunday, January the 5th, 2014. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your cell phones charged, have your laptops charged, have your tablets charged, have your 3G and 4G internet ready, because it's going to be very stormy conditions in Indiana. Have your shovels ready, have your snow scoops ready, have your snow blowers ready, have your snow plows ready. And it's going to be a lot of snow in the state of Indiana on Sunday. When you're driving the car, slow down, take your time, drive the car so you don't get into car accidents. Cars will get stuck in the snow in the state of Indiana on Sunday, January the 5th, 2014. If you have anybody living in Indiana, be prepared. This same storm will also affect Ohio, Michigan as well. And see if it's going to affect Chicago, Illinois as well. And it's going to be very stormy conditions in the state of Indiana on Sunday, January 5th, 2014. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow in the state of Indiana. Once the storm is over, bitter cold air is going to head for the state of Indiana after that. And it's going to be in whiteout conditions, blowing and drifting snow in the state of Indiana. Best luck to you, people in Indiana, especially Indianapolis, Indiana. Be prepared for a major snowstorm on Sunday. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in the snowstorm. Be safe.